this. Ooh. We only show you the good stuff. We make it look really easy.
I was already getting frustrated.
Hi, hello, welcome to the Zen Creative channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a style that my friend sent to me. Let's call my friend Retha. So Retha had sent me this picture of a hairstyle and asked me to do this months ago. But then my hair and my life was in protective styling mode, so I couldn't do it. But I have washed my hair and I'm finally ready to do the style. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to divide my hair into two. That I have not done this style before. It just looked pretty easy. You know that thing when you see something like, this is not that complicated, but until you start. I know the first thing I need to do is put my hair into two sections. So I just have this. This is not going to work, but I have something else that I can use to hold my hair. Click it in, you click it out. I just put this like this from behind. Yeah. I think what she did was to twist. I think I'll do like 3 really loose twists. I don't have a video of how she did her style. I am not using any mirror, so I can't even see what I'm creating. I'm just trusting the process. Then the 3 twists, yeah, just going to weave that together, tuck it in like this so I can hide that part of my hair accessory. So this is what we're working with. Let me go and check and see if it makes sense or not. Yay! It actually does. I think that's one of the benefits of doing your hair by yourself repeatedly. Oh, okay, so first half is done. Now we need to figure out how we're going to do the front. I can tell that she flat twisted her hair. No, I need to use a mirror. So we'll have to get a mirror because I could not possibly continue like that. Okay, so let's go to the supermarket. I finally found a small mirror that I could easily move around. I noticed some beads and I was like, yeah, she used hair beads in her hair too. So I grabbed some beads that were similar to the ones that she used on her hair. I can finally see renewing my energy. This style stretched me. You can see me rocking back and forth and thanking God as I finished the last flat twist. Now to the beading. That one is another technique on its own, but we can do it through Christ who strengthens me. You want to roll your hair around the bobby pin and take the bobby pin through and then just drag the hair through. Do it to the length that I want, desired length, and then just form a knot like this. Round and round and round and round and round and round. I started this style when it was bright and early. I wasn't done until it was dark and late. At this point, I thought I was done, but that was far from the truth. So today is day 2. I slept with the bonnet, and when I woke up this morning, the flat twist looked puffy. They're cute, but they're still puffy. It's not exactly what I'm going for. And the wedding is tomorrow, and I did my hair yesterday. So yesterday was Thursday, today's Friday. The wedding is on Saturday, and I just felt like if I had left my hair in a bun Thursday, Friday, wearing it on Saturday, it won't look as good as I wanted to. And I want to really look good. I want to look my best. So I am going to be redoing my flat twist. I think I'm going to make them smaller or make my twist a little firmer, because in the picture you can see that her twists are not too chunky, they're slimmer. Yesterday I also weaved the back of my hair so that my hair could stay stretched, and when I take it down and wear it, it can look really full. So let's recreate my bun and redo my flat twist for our wedding tomorrow. One of the things Retha had requested is showing her how to safely take down the beads without damaging her hair. I'm shaking my hair as much as possible and the beads aren't coming off. So I want you to know that doing it this way keeps it secure, and this is how easily you can unravel the knot. You just drag it down gently and it unravels. and then you take down your bead. As I'm taking down this flat twist, I'm just thinking to myself, this is such a cute twist out. But should I just wear my hair like this for the wedding? But the other thing is, will it hold? Oh, this is so cute. Wow. The more you play with your hair, the more you create styles. Like if you don't attempt to style your hair, you'll never really know what your hair can do. So I encourage you, please play around with your hair. I always like to re-moisturize the tips of my hair. I don't like the ends of my hair to be dry. I'm using my homemade shea butter. Although I have improved my recipe, but my old recipe is on my YouTube page. I will put the link to the video in the description box. Just me secretly wishing I could wear my hair out like this. But after all the sweating and the dancing at the wedding, it's going to shrink. I styled my bun 3 different ways and I still wasn't satisfied. And I noticed that my flat twists were too long, especially when I compared it with the picture that I was following. So what I did was to cut my flat twist into half and let the flat twist start from my ears instead of behind my ears, and I liked the outlook more. For my bun, I wanted to be sleek and as perfect as possible. So with the help of gravity, putting my hair down, I was able to pack all of my hair together just the way I like it, and this was the final result. I think at this point I was finally satisfied with my look, and this is me at the wedding. I was really feeling myself, feeling very confident. I got a lot of compliments, so please be encouraged to wear your hair out. Styling it can be a process, but don't give up. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.